not your keys, not your crypto, right? Basically meaning, like, if we take it to the mindset of, we're not in the situation where we have gold bars and we have to take the gold bars to the goldsmith or the bank, right? It's impractical to walk around with gold bars in your pocket, or even it's impractical to have $100,000 in your home. You would have that in the bank. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, you can have billions of dollars of cryptocurrency on a device that's no bigger than my phone.
Yeah, I was looking for my link. I can't find it. Yeah.
Right. If that's the case, why do so many people leave their assets on these exchanges? Even though you've made the warnings, we've seen a lot of these exchanges go down. Why do they keep them on the exchange? I know why they don't keep gold bars. I know why they don't keep $100,000 in cash. That makes sense. But if I can keep it on something no bigger than my phone, why do they keep them on the exchange? Other than when they say keep it on the exchange and we'll try to make some passive income for you. But other than that, why would anyone keep their money on the exchange?
Convenience, and not having to be responsible for the fact that if you forget your seed phrase, you lose all your money, right? So people feel very comfortable with treating crypto like it's the stock market. You know, I can go on my TD Ameritrade account, I can buy some shares of Apple, Microsoft, and it's just there. I don't have to maintain it. I don't have to, you know, write things down and memorize it. And if I forget it, I lose everything. And that's one of the, I would say, one of the pain points for crypto, right? The concept of, you know, if you forget one of the words, or if you input, because you're basically gonna get 16 words, and those 16 words can basically recover your wallet. So in the event, I can't find my ledger, it was somewhere over here, but the device is like this big, right? And the device simply holds your private keys, right? But in the event like that you lose it or it's damaged, you have to remember these 16 words in order to recover your wallet. And, you know, I've heard horror stories of people who
How hard is it to remember 16 words? How hard is it to have like a locked thing within your phone or some email, some secure thing with the 16 words? I just, that's the part I don't understand.
But I talk to people all the time who they've forgotten their private keys, or they've forgotten the seed phrase, and they have hundreds of thousands of dollars of crypto on the device. So I can see the convenience of just, hey, it's right here in this exchange. If I want to go and get it, I can go and get it easily. I can go swap into other things. So again, people just, they, you know, for convenience, that's it. But what I've learned with investing and just life in general is the best way for people to learn is sometimes to touch the stove and get burned. You know, sometimes you just got to get burned.
If you told me that you would give me $100,000 if I could memorize 16 words, I would have it memorized in under 2 hours. That if you woke me up in the middle of the night and said, what are the 16 words? I'd say them exactly and in the order. This is not someone giving them money. This is their money. And they're still at the point where they aren't motivated enough to memorize the 16 words, to take their money off an exchange that we've seen a lot of these exchanges go belly up. They'd still rather run the risk and have it on an exchange.
But the beautiful thing about what happened with FTX now is you're starting to see a lot of outflow of crypto from these exchanges. So people are now starting to realize the importance of, again, having a hardware wallet or some type of a desktop or browser extension where you control the actual private keys, a non-custodial wallet is what they call it. Because again, many people who came into crypto, they didn't give a damn about the technology. They heard about this guy that got rich off of this Kucoin, you know, and they